Ever stared at your Tangem wallet, those sleek, card-like devices holding your precious crypto, and wondered, how do I actually use this in the real world? How do I turn these digital assets back into good old fiat currency? If that thought has ever crossed your mind, you're definitely not alone. In today's digital age, owning cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly common. Hardware wallets like Tangem offer a secure and convenient way to store your digital wealth offline, protecting it from the vulnerabilities of online exchanges and software wallets. But the fundamental question remains, how do you bridge the gap between your secure crypto storage and your everyday spending power? Can you actually cash out from a Tangem wallet? The short answer, and perhaps unsurprisingly, is not directly. Your Tangem wallet is designed for secure storage and easy management of your cryptocurrencies. It doesn't have a built-in feature to directly convert your crypto into fiat currency and deposit it into your bank account or hand you physical cash. Think of it like a physical safe for your valuables. It keeps them secure, but you need a separate process to exchange those valuables for cash. So, if you can't directly cash out from Tangem, how do you access the value stored within it? The process involves a few intermediary steps, leveraging the existing infrastructure of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The most common method involves transferring your cryptocurrency from your Tangem wallet to a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms act as marketplaces where you can trade one cryptocurrency for another, or, crucially, sell your crypto for fiat currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, or your local currency. Once your crypto is on the exchange, you can then initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. The specific process will vary depending on the exchange you choose, but generally involves providing your bank account details and completing any necessary verification steps. Keep in mind that exchanges typically charge fees for both trading and withdrawals, so factor these into your calculations. Another avenue, although potentially less direct and more dependent on your location and available services, involves using crypto debit cards. Some companies offer debit cards that are linked to your cryptocurrency holdings. You can then spend the funds on this card, and the equivalent amount in cryptocurrency is automatically converted at the point of sale. While Tangem doesn't issue its own debit card, you would still need to transfer your crypto from your Tangem wallet to a platform that offers this service. Peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms also offer a way to cash out. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to find someone willing to purchase your cryptocurrency in exchange for fiat currency. While potentially offering more favorable rates, P2P transactions require more caution and due diligence to ensure the legitimacy of the other party. It's important to remember that the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Depending on your jurisdiction, there might be specific rules and regulations regarding cashing out cryptocurrency, including reporting requirements and potential tax implications. Always ensure you are compliant with local laws. In conclusion, while your Tangem wallet provides a robust and secure vault for your digital assets, it doesn't function as a direct cash-out point. You'll need to utilize the services of cryptocurrency exchanges, potentially explore crypto debit cards, or engage in P2P transactions to convert your crypto holdings into fiat currency. Each of these methods comes with its own set of considerations, including fees, processing times, and security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.